Hello everyone. So I am replacing the front speed sensor of the VOGE 300 Rally. This is a 2023 model because it happened to me like 10-15 times that while I was riding, and sometimes when braking, but mostly while I was riding and not using the brake, the ABS light came up on the dash. And I tried the brake and I didn't have any ABS. Then it didn't happen for a while, then it happened again. And I have a little suspicion that it's more likely to happen when I am starting to brake with the front brake. I took it to the dealer to connect it to the OBD, and the OBD read ABS communication error. And we asked the factory what to do, and they didn't reply. So I decided, with my extensive, almost near zero motorcycle repair experience, that let's start first replacing the front speed sensor. And by the way, so that this is commonly available, the ECU, which also controls the ABS. It's commonly available online on AliExpress as well. But yeah, let's not start replacing that, whatever. Alright, about how to get there. So you need to remove all the screws on the panel. This you cannot fully remove. It will be a little difficult to remove the fuel tank because there are screws, which these you pull it outwards a little bit so you can access that, and then you can unscrew that bolt. Obviously there are two bolts here, and then you go below and you remove the electrical connectors, and then you slide this off. There is a hook at the bottom of the fuel tank, and you slide this off. Then you can turn this, and you need to push this button. There is the same button on the other side. You need to push it with 2 fingers, and then you can slide this off. Then a little fuel comes out here, so you need a rag. And then you remove these and these two. And I'm not sure that that was connected to anything. I don't know. This was also fixed on some hook at the bottom of the fuel tank. Alright, then here is the speed sensor connector, which you need to push at the bottom here. So this lifts up, and then you can pull the connector up outside. Now I had reserve speed sensor because on my VOGE 900 we also needed to replace the it was not necessary, but for the investigation we replaced the speed sensor because I had another issue on the VOGE 900, but that didn't fix it. So this is a good cable from the VOGE 900. By the way, I noticed that it's a little bit thicker. It's a little bit thicker than the VOGE 300. Yeah, maybe 1 millimeter thicker, but it's the same length, and at the end is the same. So I'm going to, oops, it's magnetic, yeah. So I'm going to use this one because I don't want to travel to the dealer 2-hour round trip. So that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully, I don't trust it, but hopefully it will fix my ABS problem. If not, then I'm going to replace this. By the way, on my VOGE 900 I had the error I was talking about before. On the VOGE 900 it sometimes totally randomly cuts my power to the half. So it limits the bike's power to around 4,500 RPM. and we tried a lot of things how to fix it. On the VOGE 900 we replaced the throttle. Didn't help because that's on the VOGE 900 it's electronic, but VOGE 900 the ECU replacement fixed the problem, it seems. So it alright, that's a different bike. So this is how you replace the ABS, remove the tank, replace the speed sensor. By the way, this is the ABS unit. These go to the rear brake, these go to the front brake. Hope you are a good boy. Alright, on the pegs out.